I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Peugeot 3008 first generation, produced from 2008 to 2016. This compact crossover quickly gained popularity in the United Kingdom for its stylish design and versatile interior. However, like many French cars of that era, it has its share of reliability issues that potential buyers should know about. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems. As promised, the timing chain is a notorious weak point in many engines of this model, especially the 1.6-litre petrol variants. Owners often report rattling noises from the engine bay, which can lead to costly repairs if not addressed early. Electrical wiring issues are another frequent headache for Peugeot 3008 drivers. Faulty wiring harnesses can cause intermittent faults in the dashboard lights, central locking, and even the infotainment system. In the damp British climate, corrosion on connectors exacerbates these problems, leading to frustrating breakdowns on rainy days. Beyond these, the turbocharger in diesel models, like the 2.0-litre HDI, tends to fail prematurely if maintenance is neglected. Symptoms include loss of power and excessive smoke from the exhaust. Regular oil changes are crucial to prevent this, but many used examples on the market have already suffered from it. The suspension system, while comfortable for city driving, shows weaknesses on rough UK roads. Bushings and shock absorbers wear out faster than expected, resulting in a bouncy ride and clunking sounds over potholes. Upgrading to aftermarket parts can help, but it adds to the ownership costs. On the positive side, the Peugeot 3008 offers a spacious boot with up to 612 litres of capacity, making it ideal for family outings. Its elevated seating position provides excellent visibility, which is a boon in busy urban traffic. Fuel efficiency is respectable too, with diesel models achieving around 15 km per litre on motorways. However, gearbox troubles plague the automatic versions, particularly the 6-speed unit. Hesitant shifting and eventual failure are common complaints, often requiring a full rebuild that can cost over £1,000. Manual gearboxes are more reliable, but clutch wear is accelerated in stop-start city driving. The interior plastics, while stylish, are prone to scratches and fading under the sun. Door handles and trim pieces can become loose over time, detracting from the premium feel. Despite this, the cabin is ergonomically designed, with intuitive controls that make long drives enjoyable. Engine oil leaks are a recurring issue, especially around the valve cover gaskets in petrol engines. This can lead to low oil levels and potential engine damage if not monitored. Regular checks under the bonnet are essential for any owner in the United Kingdom, where service intervals might be stretched due to high motoring costs. The air conditioning system often fails due to compressor issues or refrigerant leaks. In hot summers, this leaves drivers sweating, and repairs can set you back around £400. On the upside, when working, it cools the cabin efficiently, enhancing comfort during those rare British heat waves. Brake wear is faster than average, with pads and discs needing replacement every 30,000 kilometers or so. This is partly due to the car's weight and the demands of UK stop-go traffic. However, the braking performance is sharp and reliable, giving confidence on slippery roads. The panoramic glass roof, a popular option, can develop leaks over time, leading to water ingress in the cabin. This is exacerbated by blocked drainage channels, common in leafy suburbs. Yet, it adds a sense of openness and luxury, making the interior feel more premium than rivals like the Nissan Qashqai. Fuel pump failures in diesel models are not uncommon, causing starting issues and stalling. Replacement costs hover around £600, plus labour. Positively, the diesel engines are torquey and responsive, perfect for overtaking on A roads. The exhaust gas recirculation valve, or EGR, clogs up frequently in urban driving, triggering warning lights and reduced performance. Cleaning or replacement is needed every 50,000 kilometers. Despite this, the car's emissions are low for its time, helping with road tax bans in the United Kingdom. Windscreen wiper motors can seize, especially in winter, due to exposure to salt and grime on British roads. This is a straightforward fix but inconvenient during heavy rain. The wipers themselves are effective, providing clear visibility in typical UK weather. The battery drains quickly if the car is left unused, often due to parasitic electrical draws from faulty modules. Jump-starting becomes routine for infrequent drivers. On the brighter side, the electrical system supports modern features like Bluetooth connectivity, which was advanced for 2008. Headlight bulbs burn out more often than expected, and accessing them for replacement is fiddly. This can be annoying for DIY enthusiasts. However, the headlights offer good illumination on dark country lanes, enhancing safety. The rear parking sensors frequently malfunction, giving false alerts or failing altogether. Calibration or replacement costs about £200. Still, when functional, they make parking in tight UK spaces a breeze. Alloy wheels are susceptible to corrosion from road salt, leading to unsightly pitting. Refurbishment can cost up to £300 per set. Aesthetically, they give the car a sporty look that appeals to many buyers. The fuel efficiency in petrol models drops in city driving, averaging only 10 km per litre. This makes it less economical for commuters. Conversely, it's peppy and fun to drive on open roads. Interior noise insulation could be better, with road and wind noise intrusive at motorway speeds. This fatigues drivers on long trips. Yet, the ride comfort is supple, absorbing bumps well. The sat-nav system in higher trims is outdated and slow to respond. Updates are scarce, making it less useful today. However, the overall dashboard layout is user-friendly. Used prices for a 2012 Peugeot 3008 start at around £3,000 for higher mileage examples. Well-maintained ones can fetch up to £6,000. Always check service history to avoid hidden issues. Reliability ratings from UK motoring bodies like the AA place it average, with electrical gremlins being the main deductor. Parts availability is good through Peugeot dealers. Ownership satisfaction is mixed, with design often praised over durability. In terms of safety, it earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, with strong occupant protection. Features like multiple airbags and stability control are standard. This makes it a solid choice for families concerned about crashes on busy roads. The boot's split-folding seats offer flexibility, expanding to 1,480 litres, ideal for IKEA runs or holidays. However, the mechanism can jam if overloaded. Diesel particulate filters clog in short-trip driving, requiring forced regenerations. This is common in urban areas like London. The upside is lower running costs compared to petrol siblings. The steering feels light and precise, aiding maneuverability in car parks. However, power steering pumps can leak, costing £400 to fix. It's responsive for a crossover though. Cabin space accommodates 5 adults comfortably, with good legroom. Headroom is ample even with the sunroof. Families appreciate this for school runs. Resale value holds decently if serviced regularly, better than some French rivals. Expect depreciation of about 30% over 3 years. It's a budget-friendly entry into the crossover market. The exterior design remains modern, with sharp lines and a bold grille. It stands out in a sea of bland SUVs. Paint quality is good, resisting chips well. However, rust can appear on underbody components if not undersealed. Annual inspections are advised in salty coastal areas. The bodywork is durable against minor dings. In conclusion, the Peugeot 3008 first generation suits budget-conscious families who prioritize style and space over bulletproof reliability. It's best for those who can handle occasional repairs and live near a good mechanic. If you value a fun drive with French flair and are willing to invest in maintenance, this could be your ideal urban crossover. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.